everyone, and welcome to Jador Sleep. Today, we're going to explore a phenomenon that sounds like it belongs in ancient mythology or science fiction, but it's actually happening all around us in the natural world. We're talking about chimeras, organisms with two or more genetically distinct cell populations. It's a hidden story of genetic blending, a testament to the incredible flexibility and complexity of life. Get ready to have your understanding of genetics and individuality completely challenged. We're going to dive deep into the mechanisms, the implications, and the sheer wonder of this biological phenomenon. So, what exactly are chimeras? The term comes from the mythical creature with the head of a lion, the body of a goat, and the tail of a serpent. In biology, a chimera is an organism composed of cells from two or more distinct zygotes or fertilized eggs. This means they have two or more different sets of DNA within their bodies, a patchwork of genetic identities within a single organism. This can happen in a variety of ways. One common method is through the fusion of two early embryos, where two separate embryos merge into one. Another is through the exchange of cells between twins in the womb, known as microchimerism, a subtle and often overlooked form of genetic sharing. And sometimes it can even occur through the grafting of tissues in plants or animals, a deliberate or accidental blending of genetic material. Chimeras are different from hybrids. Hybrids are the result of the fusion of two different species gametes, leading to a uniform genetic makeup. Chimeras, on the other hand, have distinct cell populations with different genetic makeups within a single organism, a mosaic of genetic information. This distinction is crucial to understanding the unique nature of chimeras. The plant kingdom is rife with chimeras. Grafting, a common horticultural practice, often creates chimeras. When two different plants are grafted together, the resulting plant can have tissues from both parent plants, leading to a mix of genetic makeups. This is a common practice in producing many different kinds of fruit trees. These chimeras can exhibit unique characteristics, such as different colored flowers or leaves on the same plant. Some fruit varieties are also chimeras, resulting from natural or induced mutations that lead to distinct cell populations. This is a deliberate process used to create new variations. Variegated plants with patches of different colored leaves are often chimeras. The different colored patches result from different cell populations with varying abilities to produce chlorophyll. This is a visible manifestation of chimerism, a living display of genetic diversity. Plant chimeras are also important in agriculture. They allow for the creation of new and desirable plant varieties, combining the best traits of different parent plants. This is a powerful tool for improving crop yields and creating new cultivars. While less common than in plants, chimeras also occur in animals. They can arise through the fusion of early embryos, leading to an individual with two distinct sets of DNA. This can result in animals with unusual physical characteristics, a visible testament to their dual genetic origins. Microchimerism, the exchange of cells between twins in the womb, is another form of chimerism in animals. This can lead to individuals with cells from their twin, even if the twin was never born. This is a subtle yet profound form of genetic connection. In some cases, chimeras can have different sex chromosomes in different cell populations, leading to unusual reproductive characteristics. This can result in individuals with both male sexual differentiation. Recent studies have even shown that chimerism can occur in wild populations of animals, suggesting it may be more common than previously thought. This is changing our understanding of how prevalent chimerism is in the natural world. Microchimerism, in particular, is a fascinating area of research. It's the presence of a small population of cells in an individual that originated from a genetically different individual. This can happen through the exchange of cells between mother and fetus during pregnancy, a unique form of biological inheritance. Maternal microchimerism, where fetal cells persist in the mother's body, has been shown to have potential implications for maternal health. Some studies suggest that fetal cells may play a role in tissue repair and immune modulation. This is a potential benefit of this cellular exchange. Fetal microchimerism, where maternal cells persist in the offspring's body, has also been observed. The long-term effects of this are still being studied, but it may have implications for the offspring's immune system and susceptibility to disease. This is a complex and evolving area of research. Microchimerism is also being studied in the context of autoimmune diseases, where the presence of foreign cells may trigger an immune response. This is a potential downside, where the presence of foreign cells can lead to autoimmune reactions. This area of research is revealing the complex and often unexpected connections between individuals, even after birth. It's a testament to the intricate and sometimes surprising ways that organisms interact. Chimerism is also found in marine organisms, particularly in colonial animals like corals and sponges. These organisms can fuse with each other, creating chimeras with multiple genotypes. This is a common occurrence in many marine species. This can lead to increased genetic diversity within a colony, which may enhance its resilience to environmental stressors. This is a survival advantage in the face of changing environments. Chimeras in marine organisms can also exhibit unique growth patterns and behaviors, reflecting the combined genetic makeup of the different individuals. This is a fascinating example of how genetic diversity can lead to behavioral diversity. The study of chimeras in marine organisms is providing insights into the evolution of cooperation and competition in these ecosystems. It's a window into the complex social structures of these organisms. The existence of chimeras challenges our traditional understanding of individuality and genetic identity. It suggests that organisms are not always genetically homogeneous and that genetic blending can play a significant role in evolution. This is a fundamental shift in how we view biological identity. Chimerism may contribute to increased genetic diversity within populations, which can enhance their adaptability to changing environments. This is a crucial factor in the survival of species in the face of environmental change. Future research on chimeras will likely focus on understanding the mechanisms that lead to their formation, the functional consequences of having multiple genotypes, and the evolutionary implications of chimerism. This is a burgeoning field with many unanswered questions. This area of research is opening up new avenues for understanding the complexity and flexibility of life and the role of genetic blending in evolution. It's pushing the boundaries of what we know about biology. We are also exploring the implications of chimerism in human health, specifically in organ transplantation and regenerative medicine. The ability to create chimeras could revolutionize these fields. Researchers are also investigating the potential for chimerism effort to map the extent of chimerism, the study of chimeras is also helping us understand the evolution of multicellularity and the development of complex organisms. It's a deep dive into the fundamental processes of life. So, the next time you look at a plant or animal, remember that it might be a chimera, a living testament to the hidden story of genetic blending in nature. It's a reminder that the world is full of surprises and that our understanding of biology is constantly evolving. It is a reminder that the world is far more complex and interconnected than we might initially believe. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the hidden wonders of our world. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.